Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the second trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Tata Steel, where the net profit of the company is reported down by 43.4% at 295 crores versus 522 crores. The revenue is also down by 3% and EBITDA is down by 5.8% at 5,900 crores. Margins are reported at 11% versus 11.3% on Y&Y basis. Along with this, company reports an exceptional loss of 126 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Coal India, where the net profit is down by 17.5% at 8,491 crores. Revenue is down by 1% and EBITDA is also down by 5% at 12,317 crores and margins are reported at 34.4% versus 35.9%. Along with this, company declares the interim dividend of 5.60 rupees per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Federal Bank, where the net interest income of the company is up by 14.5% at 2,431 crores. Operating profit of the company is also up by 9.2%, but the net profit is down by 5% at 955 crores. Also, the provisioning, there is a spike in the provisioning at 74.21% versus 71.82% on quarter basis. NIMs are stable at 3.11%. Also, the asset quality of the company has been improved on quarter basis, but internals like slippage ratio is increased to 0.82% versus 0.76% on quarter basis. The next stock which you need to look at is IGL, where the net profit of the company is down by 33.7% at 285 crores. Revenue is up by 1.7% at 3,759 crores. EBITDA is down by 32.1% at 363 crores and the margins are also down at 9.7% versus 14.5%. The next stock which you need to look at is Union Bank of India, where the net profit of the company is up by 28.2% at 4,603 crores. Net interest income of the company is up by 0.8%. Gross NPA are reported at 36,554 crores. Also, net NPA reported at 7,568 crores and the provisions are reported at 1,599 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Petronet LNG, where the net profit of the company is up by 2.3% at 867 crores. Revenue is down by 6%. EBITDA is up by 4% and margins are reported at 10.2% versus 9.2% on quarter basis. Along with this, the company is going to sign definitive agreement for sale and purchase of propylene and hydrogen with Deepak Phenolics, and also the company is going to sign amalgamation for sale of 250 kTA of propylene and 11 kT of hydrogen from company's petrochemical complex at Dahej. The next stock which you need to look at is Piramal Enterprises. The company reported the quarter 3 result, where the consolidated profit is at 38.5 crores compared to a loss of 2,380 crores. Revenue is declined to 2,448 crores from 2,475 crores. EBITDA is also decreased and reported at 1,074 crores and margin fell to 43.9% from 48.7% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Kaynes Technology, where the net profit is up by 47.2%. Revenue is up by 30% at 661 crores. EBITDA is also up by 35% at 94 crores and margins are also slightly up, reported at 14.2%. The next stock which you need to keep on radar is RailTel, where the net profit of the company is up by approximately 5% at 65 crores. Revenue is also up by approximately 15%. EBITDA is down by 6.6% and margins are also contracted at 15.8% versus 19.4%. So these were the results, but along with this, there are some other news which you need to look at, like Tata Power, because its arm TP Solar back contract worth 455 crores to supply 300 MWP ALMM certified solar modules to MSPGSL. Basically, MSPGL is the Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. The next stock which you need to look at is ARVIND SmartSpaces, because company to develop a mega industrial park in Ahmedabad spread over 440 acres with a top line potential of rupees 1,350 crores. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.